Hello, today I'm going to show you how to track your sleep on the Apple Watch. Today we have Apple Watch SE, but it doesn't matter, it's going to work on any Apple Watch Series, Apple Watch Pro, or Apple Watch SE 2nd Gen, whatever, it doesn't matter. So to track your sleep, you want to go to the app menu, to the app screen, by pressing the digital crown, and now you need to find like the bed icon, this icon right here, as you can see, and this application is going to track your sleep. And if you are going to open the app for the first time, as you can see, here is some informations that they are going to track through the night while you are sleeping, and you can read it and then just click next. And now you can adjust your sleep goal, how many hours a day you want to sleep, your schedules, your bedtime, your wake up. Do you want to wake up with alarm or without? As you can see, we can change it, for example, to, I don't know, maybe 7 hours 30, 7.5, yeah. Now go back, schedules, every day, bedtime. Let's set this up, for example, to, I don't know, maybe 11:30. Maybe every day, and wake up should be at 8, I guess. Yeah, and maybe we want to wake up with an alarm, so let's set up an alarm, and we are going to go for the orbit. Yeah, orbit is nice. And now we have set up our schedules to the bedtime and the time we should wake up. And now if we have the alarm on, the watch is going to vibrate and wake us up with a nice sound. And then we are going to click next, and this is going to sleep screen. So your Apple Watch, through the schedules that you have set, is going to display a little less informations, and it's not going to send you any notifications, messages, calls, or anything else, because you're going to have a sleep focus. And also it will going to work on your iPhone. If you have connected it to your Apple Watch, you must have connected it. So it is also going to turn off the notifications on the iPhone. And the wind down sleep focus will turn on 45 minutes before bedtime to reduce distractions before getting asleep. So you want to skip, you can skip this and also turn it on later in the settings, but for now we're gonna enable these things. And as you can see, the sleep notifications, you can receive a notification that the bedtime is coming to arrive in about 30 minutes or something. So here is the information about it. Then you click next, and as you can see, here is the summary of what we have just set, what you will just set on the bed application. And let's click done. And now, as you can see, we have the informations about the data. As you can see, I didn't sleep with this watch anytime, so there is no data about my sleep. And once you're gonna wear the Apple Watch through your night and take a sleep with it, or even take a nap through the day, the Apple Watch is going to recognize that you're sleeping, and then you can see all this information about your sleep, about your sleep stages like awake, REM, core or deep sleep. All the things you can check on the Apple Watch, and also you can find it in the Health app, because the Health app is connected to your bedtime app. As you can see, if we go to the Health app on your iPhone, and now as you can see we have the sleep, and all the informations are going to be displayed right here. How many hours did you sleep, what hours you had, what stage of your sleep, and everything else. Did you wake up by the alarm or you woke up by yourself? And everything is going to display right here. And also you can the iPhone is going to, the Health app is going to send you some useful tips how to get better sleep, how to, you know, fall asleep a little bit faster and something like that. So this is it. This is how you track your sleep on your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit like, because this is going to help us a little. Thank you.